I've done this flight so many times, but honestly, it never gets old. I really never had the opportunity to do this flight at sunset and knew it was going to be a perfect day to do it, so I ended up going out to the hangar to get ready for flying. In order to pass by the skyline, we departed Lewis University Airport and headed northwest as we passed through Midway's airspace. We passed right by Midway Airport, and once we got to the shoreline, they told us to turn north so we could go right by the city. On this flight, I took two of my friends with me. The first one is Ryan. He's in the front of the plane, and Joe is in the back. Ryan's a Cali bro. He's from Burbank, and he's super cool. And Joe is your typical Southside, so I put him in the back because I really couldn't trust he wasn't going to do anything stupid. It was really fun flying with him, though, and the view ended up being amazing.
There is White Sox Stadium. Here at 3 o'clock. Boo. Boo. What's that? One thing about the verify, you still have the target at 2 miles east of your position, 1,700 in sight. Negative, we don't have it. One single Papa. For one single Papa, roger that traffic, secure 1 to 2 o'clock and 1 mile, indicating 1,700 northwestbound. Okay, we got him in sight, one single Papa. The helicopter, yeah. Look at that, fucking just, wow, dude, so pretty. Absolutely beautiful. I might record this. We record it when we come back around. Okay. That'll be easier because you'll be on that side. Southwest 2460, turn left, contact ground. Left turn, contact ground, Southwest 2460. It's a cool like Chicago flag on that building. That building. Oh, that is the new DePaul University basketball arena. They just built that. One thing of Papa, trap 737, 3 miles east off your position, sending out of 3,000. We have a shot in sight and we're touring northbound along the shore, one Tango Papa. One Tango Papa, roger. Maintain visual separation from that traffic, and how far north along the lake shore are you going to go? Maintain visual separation, and we'll probably go up about 10 miles, one Tango Papa. Alright. Look at that. I can record this. Beautiful. One Tango Papa, additional traffic, 11 o'clock in 3 miles, indicating 2,100, southbound, type unknown. Here's the check-in site, one Tango Papa.